All of life is a metaphor. What our cells do in our body is what our bodies do in the planet. We are the universe. Just ask the marine biologist calling out for help to help the ocean. She'll tell you. She'll tell you about the third-generation fisherman who answered the phone. She'll tell you how days later he showed up alone against his best self-interest, but in the interest of his best self, he laid down his fishing charts, circled the fishing areas that fed his family, and said, these areas, you should shut these areas down. She understood. All of life is a metaphor. The fish are the fishermen. When we take care of our planet, we take care of ourselves. We tend to our families the way we tend to ourselves, and none of you that can hear my voice are sitting. In fact, for at least 2 years now, we have not been still. While countries and companies shut themselves down, we shut ourselves up with all of the stuff we thought mattered so much, set about finding out what actually matters. And now, the more we learn, the more we learn. And while we still long to get back to normal, we also understand this is the moment normal brought us. Think of the teachers we never had. We are right now learning the lessons they never taught us. Think of the potential and the ideas we never thought of but never tried. And in that place of becoming, we come here together not to sit. No, we come to rise. Charged, ready to charge, open our eyes and reveal light, ready to reach out and touch like matches struck and ignite, ready to smile bright with or without masks, no longer concerned with getting others to do something. We now start doing something for others. This is our task. We are human charging stations, and each hug we give gives power back. So now we do what is needed, not what is asked, which is all this moment is asking us to do. This is the lesson this moment gives. Understanding the legacy we leave is the legacy we live. See, the first steps are often the hardest, but they shape the path the future walks. So when going forward feels hard, remember, on a cellular level, we are poetry and math. We are redox and skin. Within us, an ocean of energy roars. We hold treasure inside our chest. We are ASEA. We know that being more means caring more, knowing the more you care, the more you invest. This is the innovation of our belief. We do more when we do less. We do better the better we feel, so we incentivize people to stay feeling their best. This is the belief in our innovation. Any job that doesn't do good is not a good job. We must start building people and stop building checks right now. We must take a collective deep breath, focus only on what's essential and let go of the rest, reclaim our humanity as a strength and let our values reset, cultivate a new ethos that reimagines success, then redefine together what we have a right to expect, because no one who can hear my voice is sitting. We are no longer focused on the things we are getting. We focus on the things we get from giving. Not things that keep us alive, but what makes life worth living, what makes us feel like we belong. Like believing family is so much more than blood. It's the covalent bonds that bond you together like electrons exchanging current like redox. The currency of spirit we exchange when we talk is true wealth, because nothing is more valuable than cellular health. This is what next level means. Living up to the legacy of Tyler and Vertus, who urge us to wrestle with every how-come, that teaches us to overcome, pursuing what will become in the direction of an income until we're happy with the outcome. This is what next level means. Understanding there is the what that is determined by your genes, and there is the determination you apply in the direction of your dreams, and we give power to both. In fact, we power you even when you relax, because we give power to the power of restorative acts, powering down 8 hours every night. We power that, which is why you wake up powerful, ready to act, recharge, ready to charge back, confident in the fact that there is work to be done, solid in the knowledge the ocean powers the planet, the heart is solar powered by the sun, and our power powers the potential of what we become. The next breath, we are legacy, which means we are the power of the brain speaking to the foot, and we are the next step. Remember, not using power is not powerless, because when you feel like you have no power left, power begins. On a cellular level, we are poetry and math. We are redox and skin. Losing teaches us to win, and no one who can hear my voice is sitting. You are building power. That is a fact. Coming together for the first time in 2 years is a powerful act. We belong to the belief when you give power to others, you get power back. This moment's charged with your potential. ASEA, we power that.